Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this Ford Transit Connect. First of all, we make sure Bluetooth is on. There you go, Bluetooth's on. And then we go to phone. There you go, phone, BT devices. You can either, if there's some already in the system, you can click right and then connect to whatever phone you want. If there's no phone, you see there it says add and there, well, add there, cancel there, which is add and cancel. So we go to add. Okay, it's looking, it'll probably come up at the bottom here. There you go, sync. So, turn the radio up there. So I click sync. There you go. Barry's iPhone 10, pair with sync. Does the pin number match? Well, it does. So pair there, and then we've got to click. It says yes there or no there. Click yes. Do you want your contacts and favourites to sync? I don't, but you will. That's it. It's paired, as you can see there.
And use Sync's voice-activated features while your vehicle is in motion.
Well, it's asking me if I want to download the phone book or my phone book. Again, I don't, but you would. The sync, it never recognises what I say, so I've just given up. And it's not just Ford, it's all the voice activations. Never gets what I say, so I've given up with it.